Go.
Today, we have problems of order of operations. First, we have a problem right here. Okay, first, you're going to have to times 6 by 2 because it's in the parentheses. Are you serious? Why? 2 times 6 by 2 is because in the order of PEMDAS, parentheses come first. And 6 times 2 is in parentheses. We're going to do that to go to 12. The 2 is in the exponent, so 12 exponented equals 144 minus 50 plus 6 divided by 5. So 144 minus 50 plus 1.2, because 6 divided by 5 equals 1.2, equals 94 plus 1.2, which equals 95.2, rounded to the theorem equals 95.
Okay, I have now problem number 2 on today's order of operation problems. So we have in parentheses 8 plus 9 parentheses minus 4 times 8. So in the order of PEMDAS, you have to do parentheses first. So here's PEMDAS for you. Just a second. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. I have to do parentheses first. So you do 8 plus 9 will give you 17. So the next, let's do 4 times 8 because of multiplication. That comes next. So 4 times 8 equals 32. So then you bring down the 17, and you get 32 because you multiplied 4 times 8. So when you subtract 17 minus 32 because of 4 times 8 and bring down 17, you would get negative 15. And that is your final answer in this order of operations problem.
Today, we have a crisis. At Brad's Big Burgers Burger Shop, they employ only 98 workers with they only employ 10 of those workers will receive a wage of $150 per day. The rest of the Burger Boys only receive a wage of $85.50 of their total sum of the day. To the burger management in a week is equal to working 6 days. How much does the factory pay each week? First, we will have to take out all the numbers of this. So 10 for the number of workers receive $150 plus 88 of the other workers that don't receive. That make 85.50. That will equal 1,500 plus 7,224, which will be both sums. And then you have to add that up to get the sum of 9,124. So, pretty much, Brad pays an average wage of 9,024 per week. 4 weeks per month. 12 months per year. 10 years per decade. 10 decades per century. 10 decades, centuries, millennium. Dun dun dun.
Order of operations is very important because without it, you wouldn't know how to solve a problem and you get them all wrong. Because PEMDAS helps you really, really good. Just a second, okay. PEMDAS right here is parentheses, P because of parentheses, E, exponents, E because it's what exponents start with, multiplication, M, division, D, addition and subtraction, A and S. Funny thing about these two is that if in a problem, so let's say we have a problem, for example, that is, here you go, that is, so let's just do 8 plus 9 minus 7 plus 6. So in this, although addition comes before subtraction in PEMDAS, you would do subtraction first because it is whichever one comes first. So you do 17 minus 7 plus 6. So in this case, you would do 17 minus 7 to get 10 plus 6 equals 16 because the subtraction comes first before the addition. So whichever one comes first, you will have to read that one first and do that operation first. That is one of the rules of PEMDAS.
Okay. This video is sponsored by
Will Elder.
and the greatest mathematician in the world, Bradley.